Hello, cherry viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama call about Sandy Home Recipe. Sinde di kai a wohwe me video. Memma raise subscribe. Ene ye ko garden to akohwe enema a medua o me garden mu. Ye start we ye reddish. Eno na start enyin we su ye pepper. Eye nketewa afi na benyin. Ye fi pepper ne so, ni yakoye lettuce ana ye salad. Eti de muhu ni nyina salad anase lettuce. Ye fi lettuce no so no, na ya buy French beans ana green beans. Eti de muhu ni nyina bia. Uwi no waba basil leaf, eno so ye de anie. Onion, eno so nie. We so ye beetroot. Waba ye cabbage, eti de muhu ni nyina so ye cabbage. We so ye tomatoes. And the ebia started the air so. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. Ye fit tomatoes ni buy garden eggs and the esusu afi na ebe started the ending. Ufi no so anu aba wo okra ana okro. Enti we nyina ye okro ana okra. Ye fi okra no so ni buy bell pepper. Enti eno so ye den eno nie. Ye fi bell pepper no so no, na ya buy cucumber. And also, we are no call maize na fina I started the any. Please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video I will post. Now, this is what I grow in my garden. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.